Today we're playing press that button.
Don't.
Oh yeah, don't press that button. Look up there.
Meteors.
No. I'll just
Micho.
Micho. I'll just
Micho.
Okay. I can't press it. Oh,
Oh, never mind.
you died. Hey, stay away. Hey, you don't want to go after me.
Get it? Yeah, let's go.
I wanna die. He slapped me. He slapped me. This one right here, with
I'm gonna press the button.
looks like he has a hump on his back.
I have speakers, but I do have.
I like
I
train.
have something.
I didn't hear that because my thing. I hate this game.
Up there, you're
Oh,
about to break it.
I'm standing on the button. Oh hey, hello. Wait.
Okay, go.
Raggy, I live.
Stupid.
Me idiot.
Is this a
You know what? I'm
baby?
going. I did it. I did. No, not the shop.
I'm going, Maggie. 4, 3.
Huh? Right?
I saved your butt.
Oh, I'm good at this. I'm like a boss. I'm like. Oh. Immediate. Oh,
What? That didn't even touch me.
I will. That's not the nice word. Oh. Before the lava rises.
I'm too tall. Like, I keep hitting my head
Uh,
on these.
no.
Listen.
No! I'm too fat. Okay, run. In Roblox. Look at him.
Look at me.
Ah!
You're like the size of Ryder.
Oh, those noobs. Look, watch this.
Stupid. They're all
No,
stupid.
I'm playing. Click it. 3, 2, 1, hurry. You.
Hey, Aesop's Michael here.
Okay then. Oh, spleef.
We will rock you. We will. Stop! No! We will rock you. Exploding diaper.
Saying?
Oh god. We have 2 SpongeBob games.
What? 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 Okay.
SpongeBob. No, not again.
Ah!
Oh, you died.
Moo. Moo.
Hello. I love Cheesehead.
What do you say? Oh, come on.
Fine. Stop play.
Why? Ah! I don't know
I
why.
don't even know how I died.
They say, oh my god,
Why
I
is this dude
see
cheating?
you
He's
die.
got a something coil.
The way you make me shine. I'm a cheese.
Oh god.
They say, oh my god, my fat torso.
Yeah!
Bro!
I died.
This is the first time I did better than you on this. Eat me?
I clicked it.
I clicked it first. Yeah, whoever clicked it sucks. Jalapeno.
No!
I did it. I did it. Ah!
Oh, okay.
Well, let's find it.
Wait, can you fall off the edge?
Where
Why
is
is it playing Mario music? Oh! Found it.
No, someone found it before you, idiot. I can't get off. van. We.
I almost ran into a freaking. Bye. Okay, bye.
Okay, I'm scared.
Oh god.
Move it. Oh, just jump in place.
Ah, I jumped. This is gay. Go to the other side.
This is fun.
Stop.
I don't know. I just been standing still. I'm like Sonic. Joey, just imagine this is a new Sonic character. I'm so fat. I have to run fast. Yo, the edge is so far.
At that moment, Justice knew he messed up.
What? Tsunami coming, dude.
Stupid people.
Be in.
Let's go. Nom 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 nom.
Eating channel. Today we're gonna eat little people. Ah!
Nom 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 nom.
You're making the sound effect.
Oh, my back.
Wait, where do we go?
I don't know, just run far and then come back.
Ooh, but not in Pythons. Don't you mean the triangle? Survive the lava spinner. Not again. Beat the beat the obby. Yeah. Yes. Noob. Come on. Big face. Big.
It's not gonna be good.
Oh, makes sense.
One more than the last time.
Oh no. Oh, it's Doge.
There's too many Doges.
You know, actually, I like this. Why not?
But they're gonna kill us.
Oh man, I was dancing. There's one. Oh, you can ride on the Dojies. Whee!
Oh, almost died.
No, Doji! Doji! No! What's happening? Oh, it's me, dude.
Oh, it's meteors.
Micho? Micho. Thank you. I guess we'll walk around. Wee! Huh?
Oh god.
Oh, what happened to her?
Went out of space.
What in
flying.
space?
You dummy.
Why are you going dummy? Maybe I could jump on someone's head. Dang it.
How did this person jump?
Baldy!
Baldy.
Oh, you have it?
My girlfriend.
Wait! Baldy just fell off the edge!
Baldy.
What? Tsunami. Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
Why can't I climb?
Wait.
There we go. Yes, I made it.
Yes! Oh, yeah. Get wrecked, kids.
I clicked the button.
Man, that sucks.
I like dancing.
Get away from the button!
Ah! Still here. Justice. My arms.
What? You gotta move! Unless we stay here. I got the coin.
How could you even see me? Just lying.
No, I can't. Ah! No, I was like that. Like laying down like that. And it was
What?
Remember that egg thing?
Oh yeah.
Apollo would have turned into him. Oh, let go.
Doge.
Doge!
Wait, you can't touch me.
No! No! No!
No!
No!
Doge! No! 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 No!
I'm on Doge's head.
Yes, this one left.
Or protect him. Wee.
You say as you push him over.
No! Doge! They're right there. Doge! I'll see you again.
Ah!
I hate my life.